Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Fort Wayne, where we talk all things outdoor living. I'm with Tough Deck Builders Fort Wayne, and today we're going to keep it simple and practical. How to take care of your deck through the seasons so it stays solid, not soft and worn out before it's time. Think of deck care as 4 short check-ins each year, instead of one big chore you never feel like doing. We'll start in spring. As soon as the weather warms up, walk your deck slowly. Feel for soft spots under your feet, listen for squeaks, and look for boards that are cracked, cupped, or lifting. Check where the deck ties into the house, look at the posts, and make sure railings and stairs feel firm when you press or pull on them. If anything moves more than it should, that's a sign to get it checked. Spring is also the time for a good clean. Sweep off leaves, branches, and winter grit. For most decks, a gentle wash with the right cleaner and a soft brush is enough. You don't need to blast the boards with a pressure washer on full power. In fact, that can damage wood and even some composite surfaces. If you have a wood deck and the stain is peeling or faded, spring is when you start planning for refinishing once the weather is settled and dry. Now let's talk about summer. This is when decks get the most use. Heavy foot traffic, furniture being dragged, and strong sun all add up. Make a habit of quick weekly tasks. Sweep off dirt and leaves, check under the grill for grease spots, and look at high-traffic paths for early wear. If you use a grill on the deck, a mat under it is a smart move. Composite decking like Trex boards will handle sun and spills better than bare wood, but even composite benefits from regular cleaning so grime doesn't build up and become slippery. As summer wraps up, fall is all about staying ahead of moisture. When leaves start dropping, don't let them pile up on the deck or in corners against railings. Wet leaves hold water against the surface and can stain or speed up rot on wood. Clear out debris from between boards so water can drain. This is a good time to check gutters and downspouts near decks and patios to make sure water isn't dumping directly onto your structure. Winter prep is simple but important. Move planters and heavy items off the same spots so moisture isn't trapped under them for months. If you get snow, it's fine to let a light layer sit, but avoid using metal shovels that chew up the surface. Be careful with ice melt products, because some can damage certain materials and metal fasteners. The main goal is to keep moisture from sitting in one place and to avoid gouting the deck while you clear it. If this sounds like a lot, remember most of these steps take minutes, not hours. A few small checks each season can add years to your deck's life. And if you spot things that don't look right, you don't have to guess. At Tough Deck Builders Fort Wayne, we inspect decks and help homeowners decide whether maintenance, repair, or replacement is the best path. You can reach our team at 26254-7979 or visit toughdeckbuildersfortwayne.com to learn more. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders Fort Wayne. Treat your deck like any other part of your home that carries weight and sees weather. A little steady care keeps it safe, strong, and ready to use when you step outside. We'll talk again soon.